Running a car like this costs a lot of money. I've had this car for 4 years now, but I think the air filter is original. That's because I pay Audi for a service plan, but in that service plan, the air filter is not changed. It doesn't make any sense to me. This is a £15 part to me, so I don't know how much it is to them, but I'm gonna save some money here because they quoted me £68 to do the air filter, which is just ridiculous. £15 for the part, and I can do that in probably 5 minutes. I'm gonna show you how to do it so you can save some money too. So I'm gonna start the timer from now and see how long it takes me to do this job to show how much you can save per hour. I love showing it in per hour so you can understand how ridiculous these prices are. Open this up, undo this Jubilee clip. It'll come off straight away, no problemo. I don't think these torques actually come out. I'm pretty sure that they just sit there. Wow, look at the state of that one. Look at all this in here and all the crap on there. I'm pretty sure of this, you just twist it. There we go. Anti-clockwise, that comes off. And just look at the difference in those. That's gonna make a massive difference and it's gonna breathe so much easier, isn't it? So it's gonna go in that way, onto this. That then goes back on there. In fact, I'm going to take that off. There we go. And then that one goes back on. And in just a few minutes, we have a new air filter in. I'll put a link to the description below for the air filter. If you're handy, guys, it's really seriously worth doing it yourself. Really, really simple, really easy to access. So please do try it yourselves. Save yourself some money because we did it in this amount of time and it would have cost this much. Work that out to an hourly rate and you are saving yourself a lot of money. If you don't get paid this much per hour, try and do it yourself because it's not worth paying someone else. See you in the next video. Please do hit the like button if the video was helpful and please do subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. About 90% of people that watch the videos don't subscribe, so please do subscribe. It'd be really, really helpful for the channel, really propel the channel. Thank you very much, guys. See you in the next video.